Stop using chemical hair dyes that damage your hair, cause breakage, and turn your scalp itchy. Today, I am sharing 100% natural hair dye that not only covers gray hair but also strengthens, nourishes, and darkens hair naturally. This recipe has been used for generations, and the best part, it turns black naturally after 2 days. So watch till the end because I'll also share the benefits of each ingredient. Let's start with the ingredients. Most of them are easily available and affordable. These ingredients are required. Take mehendi henna, 1 small ball, amla powder, 2 teaspoons, shikakai powder, 2 teaspoons, and this is beetroot powder. You can take it to 2 teaspoons. This is optional but gives a richer tone. Ratan jot, you will take some pieces of it. Cloves, you will take 15 cloves, and amber turmeric half teaspoon. These all ingredients give the natural color. First, take an iron pan and add 2 cups of water and 15 cloves and half teaspoon amber turmeric and some pieces of ratan jot into the water. Boil this mixture for 5 minutes on the medium flame. Add amla, shikakai powder and beetroot powder as well. This step is very important because cloves release their natural color and conditioning properties into the water. After 5 minutes, turn off the flame and strain the water. Remove the cloves and turmeric completely. Discard the pulp of all herbs. Pour this herb water again in the iron pan. Now add 1 small ball of mehendi. Mix everything well until you get a smooth paste. Now leave this dye for 2 full days at room temperature. After 2 days, you will notice a magical change. The color will turn from brown to black. This means your natural hair dye is ready to use. How to apply? Before applying, make sure there is no oil in your hair. Hair should be clean and dry. For best binding, you can add 1 egg white into the dye. Egg white acts as a natural binding agent and also adds shine. Apply the dye evenly from roots to ends using a brush or gloves. Cover your hair and leave it on for 2 to 3 hours. Rinse with lukewarm water only. Don't shampoo the same day. Shampoo after 24 hours for best results. If you want to shampoo, you can. Okay. Benefits of the ingredients I am just telling you. We used mehendi means henna, naturally colors hair, strengthens roots and adds shine without damage. And amla powder, you want to know about its benefit. It is rich in vitamin C. It prevents premature graying and boosts hair growth. And the other is shikakai powder, a natural cleanser that strengthens hair follicles and reduces hair fall. We use beetroot powder. It enhances natural color and gives a healthy, rich tone to hair. And the other is ratan jot, traditionally used for natural dark shades and improves color depth. Cloves, it improves scalp circulation and add natural darkness and shine. And other is amber turmeric. It balances scalp health, reduces dandruff, and supports color development. We use egg white. It is optional, but you can use it, and it adds protein, smoothness, and long-lasting color hold. This natural hair dye is safe, effective, and perfect for long-term use. No chemicals, no ammonia, no damage, just healthy, natural, dark hair. After washing hair, apply any hair oil for long lasting color. Repeat this diet twice a week. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you want more natural hair care remedies. See you in the next video.